we are going to make mutton paya.
जिसे मैंने कुक कर लिया है 7 से 8 मिनट्स। इसमें कुछ साबुत मसाले मैंने डाले हैं। इसमें काली मिर्च है
And we have cooked it for 7 to 8 minutes. And we have added some spices such as black pepper, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, salt and turmeric powder. We have cooked it for 7 to 8 minutes and it has been done approximately 20 to 30%. Now we keep it aside and turn on the flame. We have put poppy seeds into the pan and now we have to roast it. Poppy seeds has been roasted and now we have put it in a bowl. And now we are putting it in mixture jar and adding some nigella seeds and grinding it. Nigella and poppy seeds have been grinded.
पोस्ता हमारा पिस चुका है, पोस्ता और कलौंजी। इसे मैं गैस ऑन कर लेती हूँ।
And now we turn on the flame. And we have added some mustard oil in it.
इसमें मैं ये सिनेमन स्टिक डालती हूँ, दालचीनी।
We put cinnamon stick in it. And this goes inside.
और ये लंबी कटी कटी।
And now onion, which we have cut into long shreds. And now we put it in the oil. And now we stir fry it. We have to fry it until it changes its color and turns light pink. Onion has changed color.
ये लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट मैंने लिया।
And now we have taken ginger garlic paste. Now we add red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and add some water to make a paste. Now we add it in pan. Now we have to roast it for 5 to 6 minutes like this. Now we put on the lid.
इसके लिए जब ये मसाले भून जाएंगे तो मैंने इसमें ये पोस्ते का दाना, जो आपने जैसा कि देखा मैंने भूना था।
When the spices will be roasted, we will add the poppy seeds. It is basically powder of poppy seeds and nigella seeds roasted. And we add dry ginger powder. Our spices has been roasted and it has released oil from it. And there is a nice aroma in the air. Now we turn off the flame and we take pressure cooker and we put the thing which we have cooked for 7 to 8 minutes with the spices and add the other roasted spices.
इसके साथ साथ हम हमारे भुने हुए मसाले भी मैं इसमें ऐड करूँगी। इसे चला लेना है हमें। और ये हमारा
And this is poppy and nigella seeds. And now goes dry ginger powder. And this is garam masala powder, which we have to put only 1 teaspoon. And now we add water, approximately 1 liter.
पानी तकरीबन 1 लीटर ऐड कर लेती हूँ। इसके लिड लगा देने हैं।
We have to put on the lid. And now we turn on the flame and we will cook it for about 40 to 50 minutes or by the time it gets tender. 50 minutes have passed and now we turn off the flame. And now pressure came out. And there is nice aroma coming out of it. And now we add half teaspoon cinnamon powder. And we will cook it for 2 minutes so that cinnamon powder gets mixed in it.
फिर 2 मिनट के लिए कि ये दालचीनी पाउडर इसमें मिक्स हो जाए। ये देखें आप, पाया हमारा गल चुका है बिल्कुल।
And now as we can see, paya has been cooked.
ये देखें, ये बिल्कुल
And now we put it in bowl. As you can see, it has left its bone and it has become tender. And we will garnish it with some coriander leaves, green chili and some ginger julienne. And now our mutton paya is ready.
और ये हमारे जिंजर की जूलियन, इस तरह से रेडी है ये हमारा मटन पाया।
We can serve it with naan,
साथ सर्व करें
तंदूरी रोटी और रुमाली रोटी and enjoy it.